All right, I am here in my shop. Just took off my power supply enclosure off of my CNC. Sorry about the messy shop. And just wanted to show the filtration material here. I am so glad that I used it because I do not have a dust shoe yet. This is what it looked like when it started, and this is what it looks like after a couple passes of resurfacing my spoil board. So let's see what it looks like on the inside. I have not opened this one since I started. Let's see what kind of dust. Actually looks really clean. Sorry about the light. Let's do a finger test. All right. So we have a very, very light bit of dust. I guess that's expected given that is the poorest filter material I had or could find, but it's also the most cost effective. But for what it is, I'm not mad at it at all. So actually, let's take a look, see what it looks like in here. I'm actually really glad because I thought it might not hold. It might actually pull the filter material into the box, but this did rather well. Yeah, that's quite the difference. It's time to change my material since most of that MDF stuff is done, and cut me a dust collection shoe for my spindle. Take it easy, guys.